For years, DTF and UV printing have faced the same industry-wide challenge: printhead maintenance. Why? Because printhead nozzles are unimaginably small, just 20 to 30 microns wide. That is less than a third the width of a single human hair. When ink dries or heavy pigments settle in a nozzle that small, they can restrict ink flow. The result? Horrible banding, faded colors, ruined jobs, and eventually a dead printhead that costs hundreds of dollars to replace. So, can we finally take the anxiety out of printer maintenance? Let's look at how the xTool O1 re-engineers ink care. The #1 killer of any printhead is downtime. When you stop printing, the liquid inside the ink starts to dry out. Ink turns into sticky glue, then a hard crust over those tiny nozzles. But you have a life, you take vacations. You can't babysit a printer 24/7. The O1 solves this with auto idle protection mode. After 10 months of in-house R&D, we developed our exclusive SmartHydrate Damper, backed by patented technology. When you leave it idle, it automatically swaps the active ink for a dedicated moisturizing liquid, stopping ink dryouts during downtime. And because DT ink is especially sensitive to drying, the O1 brings in a feature normally reserved for high-end industrial machines: industrial positive pressure purge. During the switch, it actively pushes the DT ink out, thoroughly flushing the system. In this way, you can leave the O1 idle for weeks, come back, and it will print like day one. But here is the lifesaver. While other printers also try to switch to moisturizing liquids, they rely on electronic solenoid valves. If power is interrupted, the valve may return to its default position, which can affect the moisturizing protection during downtime. The O1 solves this with a mechanical sealing design. Once locked, it maintains its sealed state, giving you crucial buffer time during short-term power interruptions. Your printhead stays protected and properly moisturized when you need it most. Now, let's talk about the second biggest cause of clogs: white ink. To get a solid white base on dark materials, white ink uses titanium dioxide. It's super bright, but physically, it's heavy, like tiny rocks floating in liquid. Sit idle without mixing, and those heavy particles sink, forming a dense sediment in your tanks and lines that clogs your printhead. That's why the O1 features auto white ink care. It runs 24/7 continuous circulation and active agitation. And this isn't our first time solving this challenge. We engineered this system based on over 197,000 hours of real-world operation from our previous xTool apparel printer. Whether you are printing, sleeping, or on vacation, the white ink is constantly moving, keeping those heavy particles perfectly suspended, helping maintain stable ink flow and consistent print quality. Now, let's talk about a hidden threat that almost nobody talks about: low environmental temperature. Many creators work in garages or basements. When winter hits, ink viscosity increases significantly, getting thick and sticky. The printhead's voltage simply can't push it through micro nozzles. It looks exactly like a severe clog, causing users to panic and waste expensive ink on useless cleanings. To fix this, the O1 uses a feature usually reserved for high-value industrial printers: an industrial ceramic heating pad. When temperatures drop, it actively warms the ink to its physical sweet spot, raising UV ink up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit and DT ink up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Paired with our custom-tuned algorithms, the system hits its peak performance, ensuring your ink flows smoothly and preventing false clogs. For routine maintenance, O1 gives you control with on-demand leveled cleaning. Use standard clean for everyday maintenance, or deep clean for more stubborn ink issues, so you can get the right care without unnecessary ink waste. At xTool, we believe innovation should always start with creators in mind. Whether you're printing every day or stepping away for weeks, the xTool O1 Omni Printer is designed to protect your investment, so you can focus less on maintenance and more on what you create.